If you're ready to conquer your credit, ditch debt, and step into your money mamacita era, then it's time to use your credit card with purpose. Now, for those that know me, que lo que, and for those that don't, I'm Sairenis, the founder of Poise Finance and Lifestyle, here to help you learn how to manage your finances and lifestyle with poise. The truth is, your credit card can either build or ruin your credit score. So my rule of thumb is to use your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you have in the bank and keep your finances straight. Now, let's not kid ourselves. The biggest challenge here is figuring out how we're going to get out of the habit of spending money before it hits our bank accounts. How are we going to do this? If you have a credit card specifically for lifestyle expenses like dining out, online shopping, and travel points, no problem. No problem. But you need to get in the habit of making sure you have the funds sitting in your lifestyle checking account before you spend, not after, before. That's how we do it with the high-fi banking method. That lifestyle checking account, you guys, I'm telling you, there's something to it. Plus, if the funds are already in your account, it makes it that much easier to pay off your credit card during the grace period. This is the time frame between your statement date and your due date. When you pay off your debt during this time, you are optimizing your standing with the credit bureaus, eliminating the opportunity of getting hit with interest, and boosting your credit score. Mi gente, do not shy away from adding these tips to your routine and using the high-five banking method. Because if you're ready to conquer your credit, ditch debt, and enter your money mamacita era, then it's time to use your credit card with purpose.